people, Pinklings here, and today I bring you yet another AJ update video because apparently another update's out, and I couldn't think of another kind of video to do. Anyways, I haven't seen this update yet. I'm literally recording this the day the update is coming out, so yeah. Otters are back. Oh, okay, I don't care because I already have one. After months of traveling, otters have come back to Jamal. These fascinating animals can't wait to explore all of Jamal's lands and oceans. But they've come back from being gone. Wait. Just flip the page. Okay, good. Because sometimes you miss something by just clicking on those, so I always just turn a page. Pet skunks. Call them cute, call them fun, but don't just call them stinky. Adopt your own pet skunk today. I have enough of that, but I don't feel like buying one right now. Actually, I might. Okay, anyways. There's no better way to celebrate Lucky Day than the mystical and beautiful new Lucky Castle. Ooh, I'll preview that in a minute. Lucky Clovers. Oh god, I hate that adventure. Okay, I half hate it and I half love it. Because, I played it, and it took me like 2 hours, and then I finally found all of the chests, and then didn't give me the key. And that happened twice, and it was really annoying. And then I wrote AJHQ about it, and they actually sent me 5 items, and I'm really grateful to them for doing this, because one of the items that they sent was my spike. It's not the spike that I have now, but it was a spike, and I was so happy. So, AJHQ, if you're watching this, which is probably really, like, unlikely, but I don't care. Thank you so much for that spike. So, yeah. Search for hidden clovers and unlock treasure chests filled with rare prizes in the super green adventure that's for all jammers. We've even heard a rumor that lucky jammers can win spiked collars and wristbands. Yeah. Life at sea in honor. That's a lot of items that you're giving me just for one item. But not interested in those. They're too pink. And I already have one of those and not really interested in the rest. So I'm sorry, but no. Life at sea in honor of Jamal's otters, visit the Conservation Museum and learn all about life in the world's oceans. Okay, cool. March 4th is Pie Day. Oh! Okay, where the day's digits match the first 3 digits of pi. Okay. Keep your eyes open for special Pie Day items that will be for sale for a few days only. There was a Super Pie Day last year. They had the exact same stuff out. Have you heard the amazing news? Horses have come to play wild. These majestic animals can't wait to explore Jamal. Hang out in the amazing Pegasus Palace. Try on at the fantastic Pegasus armor. And race to the finish in Jamal Derby. Pick up Animal Jam, play wild for your Apple and Android mobile devices for free today. I have it on my tablet, but I don't have anything to record it, so sorry if you want to see any play wild videos. In the wild, rhinos often travel great distances in search of food, water, and new habitats. And just like in the wild, the rhinos of Jamal have decided to spend some time traveling. On March 17th, jammers will no longer be able to make new rhinos. You'll still be able to play as any rhinos that you already have, but you only have 2 weeks to become a rhino before they begin their travels. Okay. Day of spin. Yeah. So, first of all, we're gonna go and see the new den and stuff. So here we go, Lucky Castle. It's not too big, so that's fine. Okay. There's a little stage here. This looks kind of medieval-ish a bit. Big room there. Little hallway. Another hallway. Up top of the castle. Slide down the rainbow. Yep. Into a pot of gold. That is just beautiful, Animal Jam. There's the entrance. I'm gonna follow the path. Where does it lead? Where does it go? Oh, that's really pretty. It's like on a cliff, and we're overhanging the ocean. That's nice. Some birch trees, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not good with trees and stuff. This is really cool, though. I really like this den. I might buy it. Depends. Okay, I have 8, so I have enough for the skunk and the den. But I really want a goat, so I'll get those afterwards. Let's see, you're gonna be black, and you're gonna have white stripes like a normal skunk. Probably do these eyes, I don't know. Okay, do this hair. Okay, that's weird. This is probably really what I would do. I don't know why I just made the flying noise, but that's fine. I may as well play Lucky Clovers, even though I hate it epically. So I'm gonna be my eagle for this. Oh! They changed it! They changed this. It's nice. I like it. Where's my eagle? My animals look weird. Don't ask about that, okay? Just don't. Please. Reasons. Yeah. Eagle. Here you go. Lucky Clovers. Oh, God. Now that spring is here, everything is green and beautiful. In honor of my favorite time of year, I'm trying to collect as many lucky clovers as I can. There are 50 lucky clovers hitting them on all the clover patches. For every 10 lucky clovers you find, I'll give you a key to one of those glittering treasure chests. As new, if you find all 50 lucky clovers, I'll give you the epic key, which opens the huge epic treasure chest. The smaller treasure chests are filled with amazing den items, and the epic treasure chest is filled with rare accessories. Rumor has it that the epic treasure chest sometimes even contains spiked collars and wristbands. I hope you're lucky enough to find one. That is really, really loud. Okay, you're dancing. Well, first of all, it's kind of easy to tell if it's a key. 1, it's shining. 2, it's kind of bent like that. So, found a key already. They changed this adventure. They changed it. You used to have to find the treasure chest. Wait, let me open my map. I always have my map open for some reason. Well, the map just feels like it helps me because you can see where you haven't been yet, and you go there. Also, if you're a non-member and you can't get a flying animal, people, like, this is what they're talking about. Like, no one ever helps them if they are a flying animal. They just go up. And they don't care about the non-members or the people who don't have a flying animal. So it's not really fair that they can't help the people who can't just fly up. They just fly over there. No problem. So. this bunny. Yay, raccoon. And that goat. Look, my eagle finally have the key. That's cool. I'm gonna help advertise as I'm a nice person like that. The raccoon isn't on there, but it actually is on their screen. Yeah, people are in different places in different times. It's weird. I can just fly up. You guys go up. On up, I can fly, Mr. Penguin. Or Mrs. Penguin. Penguin, you can go up. I can fly up. It doesn't matter. Okay, well, you're not going up. Like that. Okay, so generally I go around the edges first. Two more keys. Wow, that was quick. Take this key and open one of the treasure chests to claim your prize. Yay! I'm just gonna collect that because I'm probably never gonna find it again. Yeah, I'm already carrying an item. I know that. Okay. This is why I only go straight so that I can find all the things again. Because okay, so I'll go straight right now. Here we go. What's in it? Bagpipes? Ooh, I like that. And a lucky candle. No, I don't have that yet. Okay. Let's go up and oh wait, first of all, this way. Because I found another clover this way. Wait, where was it? It's like up here. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Now we go. And we pick up this key. And there was another key over here. 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna help you because I'm this person. I know. Okay, anyway. You guys should advertise like one more person. Please come dance. Yay! Go on up, bunnies. Got that key. Next, we can go down like this. Just a little dude named Connor. Patrick said if I give him all 50 clovers, he'll give me the epic key. Yeah, he will. What a joke. He's a koala. Nah, I'm kidding. He does give me the epic key. There's a lot of epic keys. Oh wait. What am I doing? The map is shaped like a clover, by the way, so. Yeah, wait, clover patch. Ah, there is a key. Damn it. Not that hidden, Animal Jam. Hopefully this doesn't take me 2 hours, but if it does, then I will just cut some parts out. Actually, I might just cut all of this out. So I will be back when I have the epic key. So 1 minute. Alright, and I'm back and I have found the last clover key. I wanted to come back now so you guys could see me, like, see what happens when you get all of them. This took me about 58 minutes to do. So, let's see how this goes. Yay, I picked it up. Okay. You found all 50 clovers. Amazing! Take this epic key and find out what treasure awaits you in the epic treasure chest. Let me just type. Yes! Okay, now let's head over to the middle. I have probably gone over this map about 20 times. The entire thing. It's crazy how long this takes you. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, the non-members. A rare police hat. And a rare leaf necklace. That's an amazing item. You look so good as you wear it around the garage. You absolutely love it. It looks like you found all the clovers and unlocked all the chests, but there might still be gems and a few other secrets hiding out there. And please come back soon. There are always more lucky clovers to be found and more prizes to be earned. Well, those prizes suck. An hour for those. That is not very good. Anyway, so that's about it for this video because there's literally nothing else to do. So, I hope you enjoyed seeing me get the epic chest, and yeah. So, I mean an apple, by the way. Yeah. Bye.